Good morning, students. Welcome to the class on polymers. The degree of polymerization is nothing but the number of monomer units present in the given polymer. It is designated by the symbol P. Degree of polymerization, nothing but the number of monomer units present in a given polymer. Therefore, degree of polymerization is given by, it is small p. P is equal to capital M by small m, where capital M molar mass of polymer, that means molecular weight of polymer, small m is molar mass of monomer. So when we divide a molecular weight of a polymer with molecular weight of monomer, we will get the number of monomer units present in that molecule, in that polymer. We can also rewrite this formula. Capital M is equal to P into M. So if we know the degree of polymerization and the molecular weight of monomer, then in order to get the molecular weight of polymer, what we need to do is just take the multiplication of degree of polymerization and the molecular weight of monomer. Therefore, molar mass of a polymer is the product of degree of polymerization and molar mass of monomeric unit. In the physical properties of polymers, it is very important to use molecular weight. So the first task is, how do we measure the molecular weight of polymer? Molecular weight or molar masses. The molar mass of a polymer increases continuously during the polymerization reaction. So with increasing number of monomers, the polymer molecular weight increases. And of course, it depends on the degree of polymerization. The final molar mass of a polymer varies according to the molar masses of monomers. To describe the distribution of molecular masses, three average methods are used. We will discuss these three average methods, and we will also try to do some problems on them. First one is number average molecular mass. In the number average molecular mass, it is denoted by capital M bar. Because it is average, we will write bar. It is number average, so we will give the suffix n. Number average molar mass is represented by M bar suffix n. Generally, this number average molecular weight is obtained from colligative properties. colligative properties of solutions. When we measure colligative properties, particularly for number average molar mass, we will use osmotic pressure. The number average molar mass is the summation the number average molar mass is obtained by carrying out the summation over the fraction of molecules multiplied by their corresponding masses. That is, m bar n is equal to sigma fi mi over I, where n is the number. It is the summation over the fraction of molecules multiplied by their corresponding masses. That means if some fractions are having I molecular weight, then fraction multiplied by molecular weight of that polymer. If some fractions are having molecular weight J, then Fj fraction multiplied by molecular weight of that polymers. Here, the number fraction is given by Fi is equal to Ni by N total. Ni by N total. What is Ni? Ni is the number of molecules having molar mass capital Mi. So Ni is a number. Because it is a fraction can be obtained by taking the ratio between number and the total number. Number of molecules having the molar mass Mi divided by total number. N total is the total number of polymer molecules. And this can be obtained by taking a function sigma Ni over I. Ni is a fraction of a number of molecules with molecular mass I. So like that, we have number of molecules Ij, Nj with molecular mass Mj, number of molecules Nx, molar mass Mx. So when we take the total number, it can be written as sigma Ni over I. Therefore, number average molar mass is given by sigma Fi mi over I, We know what is Fi, the fraction. Fraction is nothing but Ni by N total into Mi, or sigma I Ni Mi by N total. This we can also write it as sigma I Ni by Ni Mi by what is N total? It is again sigma Ni, again sigma Ni, or this we can simplify it as sigma Ni Mi by sigma Ni. This we can write it in a full form. Mn bar is equal to, we can place I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus N3 M3 plus and so on, divided by N1 plus M1, sorry, N2 plus N3 plus and so on. Number average molar mass is nothing but it is the sigma over Ni Mi by sigma Ni. When we look at this full form, N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus N3 M3 by N1 plus N2 plus N3, if we were given I is equal to 3, we will write only first three terms. If I is given as 2, only two polymer molecules are involved, then we will write only first two terms, N1 M1 plus N2 M2 by N1 plus N2. When you look at this formula, this is the formula which we will use for calculating number average molar mass. The number average molar mass is simply the arithmetic mean of all the molar masses. Mass average molar mass. Mass average molar mass is denoted by m bar suffix w. W means weight, or m bar suffix small m, mass. So mass average molar mass is designated with a symbol m bar w or m bar suffix small m. It is generally obtained by light scattering method. The mass average molar mass is obtained by carrying out the summation over the mass fraction multiplied by their corresponding molar masses. Previously, in the case of number average molar mass, it is the number fraction multiplied by their molar masses, whereas in mass average molar mass, it is the summation over mass fraction multiplied by their corresponding molar masses. That is m mm bar or mw bar is equal to sigma wi mi. Wi, or we can also use a small m, small w or small m. Here small m mass, wi mass fraction. Mass fraction is given by mi by m total. I'm giving both symbols, or you can write it wi by w total, where wi mass of the polymer molecules, wi mass of the polymer molecules having molar mass capital Mi Wi is the mass of polymer molecules having molar mass Mi, and M total or W total is the total mass of the sample. Total mass of the sample. Total mass of the sample can also be obtained by sigma Mi over I. It is like N total. Therefore, what is mm bar? Mm bar is sigma Wi Mi. Sigma Wi. What is Wi? It is Mi by M total, or we can write Wi by W total. Wi by W total into Mi. What is W total? Sigma Wi Mi by what is W total? W total is nothing but sigma Wi. So we can write it like this, or we can also write it sigma Mi, capital Mi by sigma small mi. So this is the formula for mass average molecular weight.